First, take one white onion and chop. Add to sauté pan and let steam. Stir up onions. Now chop up some zucchini and red pepper. Allows it to caramelize and get up all the goodness, flavor of the onion off the bottom of the pan. Some garlic. Stir in your zucchini. Add some water and stir around, allowing it to steam. Add in salt and your garlic and stir around to combine all the flavors. Stir in your red pepper. Let's add more greens into our life. Chop up the kale. Stir in the kale until it's wilted. And there you have it, quick, easy, and delicious.